James Stewart and Terry Sanchez are accused of prostituting their daughter, and prosecutors are worried the parents are secretly trying to talk to each other. That concern boiled over in court today with the fight between an attorney and a corrections officer. News 13's Chris McKee has the video.
Step to the side. Why? Step to the side.
That's a corrections officer and a defense attorney getting into it inside a courtroom today.
You need to back away from my enemy. This is my client. I don't care.
Fighting over who was in control of child abuse suspect Terry Sanchez. She and her husband James Stewart are both accused of prostituting their young daughter.
Mr. Stewart, you cannot have contact with Ms. Sanchez.
Judges have been clear that the co-defendants can't speak to each other, but allegations that the two were trying to communicate reared their head in Judge Lovelace's courtroom today as the judge was out of the room.
You're not here to overhear anything.
That's Terry Sanchez's attorney Craig Acorn.
You can smile all you want. That's not your job, pal.
Admonishing an MDC officer who accused Sanchez and Stewart of mouthing words at each other. Sanchez's attorney said he wanted to meet privately with Sanchez in the back room.
We're going to go back to that.
No, don't move my enemy.
We're going to go back to that room.
Don't move my enemy.
We're going to go back to that room. She's my client.
The corrections officer didn't want Sanchez's attorney to move her.
Step to the side. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? You said he was my client. You can chill out.
With Judge Lovelace eventually coming back into the courtroom,
I'm not going to address this at this point.
the games were over, telling attorneys it's up to the judge as to where the accused suspects are taken inside the courtroom.
From now on, ask my permission.
The judge in this case also ruled that James Stewart must provide DNA samples to investigators to see if it matches new evidence found in this case.